In our factory, we use 5 plasma cutting machines, 6 hydraulic presses and 1 striking shear.
6 presse oleodinamiche e una trancia.
On average, we work between 20 and 30 sheets per day, the equivalent of about 30 tons.
Circa una trentina di tonnellate.
This means that we produce a large amount of smoke and dust, so we have to suck fumes and we have to collect and dispose of the dust, which is obviously a big problem. The problem of emissions in the environment is a serious problem, because with 5 plasma machines which generate a significant amount of smoke and dust, we need a good suction system including dust collectors. The big issue is the disposal of the dust collected by the filters, keeping in mind that on average we collect about 40 liters of dust from each filter twice a day. That dust is filled manually into sealed containers and then disposed of. This requires a lot of money and time. It's a problem of downtime too, because disposal of the dust keeps the operators busy very often. They also complain about inhaling fumes and dust. Besides all that, the work environment is extremely dirty.
Di tempi fermi in macchina, perché l'operatore ovviamente rimane molto tempo fermo a fare questa operazione. In più c'è il fatto che gli operatori si lamentano particolarmente del fatto che inalano fumi, inalano polveri e lo sporco nell'ambiente è molto grave.
For the collection of the dust, we accidentally discovered that when the dust stays in storage containers and takes rainwater, it becomes very compact. So we were very interested in finding a system for conditioning and compacting the dust before transfer and disposal. On the other hand, this caused a huge problem of pollution and dirt in the yard, and it was certainly not a very convenient and efficient way to operate.
Di sporcizia nel cortile e non era sicuramente un sistema molto pratico ed efficiente. Noi abbiamo avuto la fortuna di conoscere.
At that point, we were lucky enough to come across WAM through one of our machinery suppliers. Together with WAM, we analyzed the problem. WAM has faced the issue with the right concept. They've developed a system which we have applied and tested with great enthusiasm. The dust is now automatically sucked from the filter hopper and collected in a bulk bag. And there is a double advantage. Not only does the dust no longer get into the atmosphere, but it is actually compacted automatically.
Il doppio vantaggio che le polveri non solo non girano più nell'atmosfera, non vengono disperse, ma addirittura ci siamo resi conto che vengono compattate automaticamente.
The RECOFIL recovery system is giving us some further advantages. There is no more dust on the floor, and no more dust washed into the drains by rainwater. But the greatest advantage we found is that the dust is now becoming automatically compacted. Before, we used an impressive number of closed containers for disposal at the landfill. Now, with only 1 bulk bag, we do the same job that before we needed 50-60 containers for.
Adesso noi vediamo che con un saccone facciamo quello che prima facevamo con 50-60 contenitori. Noi abbiamo scoperto WAM proprio perché.
There is also WAM's TECU filter. Actually, it all started with our machine supplier informing us about WAM when we had a filter problem. WAM supplied us with a smaller filter. However, it is more efficient than the ones we've used so far. Obviously, we are extremely satisfied about that. Then we've added this RECOFIL system, which enables us to solve the dust pollution problem. So, quite frankly, We are 100% satisfied.